Here's a simple 4 exercise sequence you can use to fix your shoulder pain without wasting hours and hours stretching. Why bother listening to me on this? Well, I'm a physio and I help CrossFitters, active people, runners improve their mobility, their strength, and get back to training or competing pain-free. Think of your shoulder like a tent. The poles give it its structure and the guy ropes keep it stable. Stretching is like loosening the guy ropes. It feels good in the moment, but if your poles are bent or in an awkward position, your tent will just fall over in the wind. In your body, the poles are the bones, muscles, and tendons around your shoulder, and the guy ropes are the stability muscles. To actually fix your shoulder pain, we need to work on both of these things. We need to improve the structure and the stability, not just randomly stretch, which is the equivalent of just putting on one guy rope and hoping for the best. And by the way, if you're interested in working with me, just check out the top link down below. So the first exercise is arm spirals, and this is the equivalent to realigning the poles and making sure they're not bent, so you actually have a nice structure to put your tent on top of so it doesn't blow over. So you're going to start lying on your back, grab a light kettlebell in your hand, 4 to 6 kilos, practice pressing off the ground. So you're going to scoop your shoulder blade off the floor and then back down towards the floor. Practice this 3 to 5 times. Then you're going to scoop your shoulder blade off the floor fully, hold it in this top position, and then you're going to gently rotate your shoulder clockwise and anti-clockwise. So imagine you've got a rod going down through your wrist, elbow, and shoulder. So they all move as one. The movement is generated from the shoulder, not the elbow or the wrist. Only go as far as you're comfortable, so don't push into loads of pain. Work into this comfortable range. And then once this feels smoother and you get more confident, then you can gradually increase the range week by week. Run through 2 to 3 sets of 30 seconds on both sides. Next, we've got the double arm down dog. We're now freeing up hinges in the tent poles so everything moves and sits smoothly. So you're going to set up in this position. Your knees are going to be about 1/2 inch off the floor, and then you're going to press very gently through your hands so you have a nice smooth curve through your back. Then you're going to push through the floor to get your head as far through as you're comfortable. I don't want you to lead with your hips, and I don't want you to rush this. We're not trying to slam our hips miles into the sky. The point of this exercise is to teach you about the pressure through your hands as you're pushing through the floor and to build that connection and improve range of motion at the shoulder. Run through 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps and make sure you're doing this slow and controlled. Next, we've got the bottom up kettlebell hold, which is the equivalent of tightening the guy ropes around the tent instead of loosening them. So you're going to grab a kettlebell in this bottom up position. Again, if your shoulder pain is quite severe, start nice and light. So 2 to 4 kilo kettlebell, hold it in this 90-90 position. So you've got a 90-degree bend at your elbow and it's 90 degrees of shoulder flexion. You're going to hold it in this position for 2 to 3 sets of 45 seconds. Make the weight challenging with minimal pain. So if you're getting pain, decrease the weight. If you're finding it fairly easy and you've got no pain, then challenge yourself and increase the weight week by week. Lastly, we've got the landmine press, which is a little bit like testing the tent out in bad weather conditions. A lot of people with shoulder pain struggle to press overhead. So the landmine press allows you to train your shoulders without going fully overhead straight away. Because instead of pressing directly overhead, we're pressing at about a 45-degree angle. So you're going to set up in this half kneeling position. Make sure you've got a solid object for your barbell to sit on so it doesn't slip, and then you're simply going to press through this arc. Obviously push the weight again, challenge yourself. If you're getting pain, then just start with a light bar and then build it from there. Do 3 sets of 8 reps on each side. So you want to do this exercise sequence 2 to 3 times a week, and over time this will get you stronger, more stable and more confident, which is going to help you get back to those pressing movements or issues you were having with gymnastics or sport, whatever the issue is. By the way, if you're interested in working with me to help fix your shoulder pain, just check out the top link down below.